Up. New toy. Wait, Zaid. Hello.
Wow, new toy. Another toy. Say thank you to Baba. Thank you, Baba. What you will say to Baba?
يلا.
Zido.
Hey, charger.
What you will say to Baba, Zido? Zido.
Zido, what you will say to Baba?
Say thank you, Baba. He's very excited. He took the remote from you.
يلا.
He wants you to play.
يلا, we
To
need
turn
charge.
on.
Where is turn on?
I think the battery is same like the other ones. Chargeable, yeah. Chargeable or battery? Yeah, normal.
This is chargeable. This is batteries.
Oh yeah, same. Oh, it has lights and
No, this is stunning. Like
music,
that.
huh?
Stunning like that.
Yeah, like the other one, like this one. But this one is a bit bigger.
يلا, give me batteries. يلا ماما. Can play. يلا, huh? Put batteries. يلا. Stunning.
Wow. Tumbling, Zido. Is this a motorcycle or what?
No, stunning car, yeah. Stunning. Flip around.
Yeah, because the shape's like motorcycle, bike. Because the other one is
Look, you
flat.
can work as a car now. You can work like
Go get the car, Zido. Do you like it, Zido? Huh? Why not smiling, baby? He's like this, no? If something new or amazing, he will not say anything. No reaction, but he's happy.
يلا.
Go get the car. The remote.
This is the charger for it. You charge it. Not like the others.
He doesn't want to play
battery.
by himself.
You charge it
He want,
directly.
give him, give him.
Take the remote. يلا. Why?
He wants you to play for him.
يلا.
Go to Zido. Zido, touch the car. He's like this. No, the first time he's like this, but after a few
This is stunning car
days,
like this. See how it's stunning car.
yeah, good price. No, it's nice.
It's available in Lulu here.
Lulu, you
Yeah,
put it in
also.
Lulu, but
I bought it in
but
Lulu
we
all the
have we saw it in Dragon Mart, right?
Yeah, we saw it in Drive 135.
What one? The third 35.
The stunning car. Yeah. يلا push here, push here بابا يلا. Push here يلا. يلا push. Push front. Push back. Here.
The
USB.
side.
Yeah.
Zido, for this month, this is the
Seventh.
that was
Seventh.
last month. No, the others.
No.
For this month,
Yeah, this month.
yeah, this is the starting of the month.
Yeah,
I mean,
two.
Two, yeah, and next week there will be another toys. Baba will become poor now. Zido.
Push. Zaid. You want somebody to play for you? You play yourself.
different angle, no?